guys, welcome back to my channel. A few episodes ago I made a video called how to get big voluminous hair in less than 7 minutes, and this is what I got. So in this video I thought, let's take it up a notch with some human hair extensions. Partnered up with a company called Pure Hair Extensions, and they're based in Perth. Wow, it's actually quite compact. Bubble wrap. That's cute. And this is it. It comes in a hairnet, quite reminiscent of my flight attending days. Okay, let's do this. Trusty comb. Is that even? I'm gonna attach it there. Wow. Give it a brush. Wow, I love it. This is how the clips go. I'm just gonna open all of the clips up. Can you see? So this, I'm going to attach it to my hair. Hey, check this out. Look how short my hair is. And then now. Wow, it feels so secure. It's surprisingly light. I thought it was gonna feel heavy. Wow, look at that! More, give me more. Holy moly. So I'm gonna go. I'm enjoying this. Oh my God, shut up. Don't even. Wow! Okay, so I'm gonna use the one with the 3 clips now and then the 2. I don't really know where they're gonna go, but we'll find out. I think they're gonna go on the sides, to be honest. I almost feel like I don't even need to use all of them. I think like you get some extras, maybe? I don't know. Guys! This is really light. It's surprisingly light. I always imagine these extensions to be really heavy. Okay! More. Just give it a brush. I wonder where I attach these. I think to the side. Like side-ish. Yeah, probably to even it out. I'm quite near my crown. You know, the top of my head. I'm almost there. So I'm gonna put this here, just, that's what my gut says I should do. Always listen to your gut. And they're actually really easy to apply. Oh my God. Brush it before I put it in. I just had an idea. I'm gonna leave like one of these on the bed. Let's see what Billy says. Babe, what's this? Okay, so I'm gonna put it more to the clothes, to the front. Can I just say, I've always been intrigued by this, and so far I feel like it's actually better in real life than what I've seen. Wow. There's even more, wait. More. I think the other thing that I was always conscious of is like just thinking that my short hair wouldn't really blend into the long parts, but it does. And I've got a blunt cut at the moment, like my hair is cut blunt. 2 clips. Wow, now I'm starting to get to feel like what it feels like to have thick hair. Clip. There we go. This side. Love it. Love it. I've got 2 more, but I don't really know where to. Maybe I should extend my fringe. I'm gonna attach it right near see my part? I'm gonna attach it like right there. I'm very close to it. Let's see if my fringe will cover it. It does. It does. Again, for this one, just under here. Yeah. Right there. Guys, just call me Jezebel. Seriously, shout out to the people at Pure Hair Extensions. This is bomb. And there we go. My hair is so thick. It's so bouncy. Let's just take this whole review game to the next level. We're really going there right now. I'm testing it for security. Night out with the girls. Dancing, and getting crazy on the dance floor. And they're still in place. Running, bouncing, playing bounce. Trampoline. Wow, and they're still in. doing hair flips for a photo shoot. Wow, ouch. Okay, that kind of hurt. There's a lot of hair there. Still in place. 10 out of 10 out of 10. True review. Do you like my outfit? What do you mean? This is my outfit. 100% impressed, 100% recommend. I love the feeling of it. It's real hair, it's smooth, it's so light up here. Once you attach all of the strips, is that what you call them? Once you attach all of the strips of hair, of course you feel a little bit of extra weight, but it's nothing drastic at all. The color that I picked is natural black, which my hair is natural black, it's not been dyed, so it blends in really seamlessly. This has been a real pleasure to review. Wow. If you have any comments or questions, please pop them in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this tutorial slash review, it's kind of like a review, but it's also a tutorial, give me a like. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Oh, PS, you'll find the link to these extensions in the description box of this video. I just feel so fierce right now, cause my hair is as long as my torso. Do you like that song? It's my new single called Long Hair. Don't care.